Starting with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Sumer Aziz and I will be presenting this research work titled as Image Pattern Analysis towards Classification of Skin Cancer through Dermoscopic Images. The authors of this research include Khushbakht Iqtidar, Amna Iqtidar, Waqas Ali, Sumer Aziz and Muhammad Umar Khan. Introduction about the authors, labs and the universities involved in this research. Ms. Khushbakht Iqtidar is MS student at National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad, Pakistan. She is also research assistant at KDRC, a well-known research group. Amna Iqtidar is also affiliated with National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad, Pakistan. Mr. Waqas Ali is affiliated with Sir Syed Case Institute of Technology, Islamabad, Pakistan. Myself, Sumer Aziz, I am working as a lab engineer at University of Engineering and Technology, Taxila, and also working as research associate at KDRC. Muhammad Umar Khan is working as lab engineer at University of Engineering and Technology, Taxila, Pakistan. Introduction. Skin cancer is one of the most harmful diseases. According to a number from World Health Organization, almost 132,000 melanoma cases are reported every year. This research is aimed toward development of an automated skin cancer diagnostic system using combination of machine learning and computer vision techniques. Problem statement. Biopsy is done through scraping of a region of skin, and it's a painful, lab-based and time-consuming process. Melanoma cancer can be treated and cured, but if it is diagnosed correctly at an early stage. An accurate and automated dermoscopic image-based diagnostic system is required to perform diagnosis. Summary of contributions. Automated dermoscopic image-based system is proposed in this research that efficiently detects melanoma and benign images. Feature extraction was performed with several feature descriptors, namely LBP local binary pattern, HOD histogram of gradients, and bag of visual words BOVW. Feature performance was evaluated with several classification methods such as SVM, KNN, and decision trees. The proposed method achieved best performance of 99.8% mean accuracy through bag of visual word features with SVM-C classification. The proposed method is reliable and can be effectively used for accurate diagnostics of skin cancer. The background of this research. Extensive research has been conducted towards the early diagnosis of skin cancer using dermoscopic images. The most common techniques used support vector machine as a classification method, histogram based methods, and global thresholding and computer aided technology. Related works. This table enlists the related work of this topic related to the skin cancer detection. We can see that the accuracy of 95% was achieved in 2009 by using contrast enhancement method, and in 2018 90.47% accuracy was achieved using Gaussian filter for pre-processing, also thresholding for segmentation, and the SVM with linear kernel for classification. And here in 2000, again a deep learning AlexNet based approach was used to classify the skin cancer images, and this research achieved 97.55% accuracy. Proposed methodology. The proposed methodology of this research adopts three-step processing, in which first the clustering or segmentation of the images is performed, then the features are extracted, and finally the classification is performed. First, the images are acquired, and then segmentation is performed using k-mean clustering. Afterwards, features like bag of visual words and HOG histogram of gradients and LBP features were extracted. Yeah, but the bag of visual word features performed very well and better than the other two feature descriptors. So bag of visual word feature was selected as a best choice feature descriptor, and then it was tested with range of classification methods, but the support vector machine classifier achieved best performance with bag of visual word features. So SVM was chosen as a best choice classifier, and The proposed method was constructed like k-mean clustering and then bag of visual word and then support vector machine based classification. The dataset. We have evaluated our proposed methodology on HAM 10,000 dataset, and the dataset comprises of total of uh, more than 11,000 dermoscopic images collected from different sources, but we used only two class data, that is benign and melanoma, and each class consists of 1,000 images. So pre-processing using k-mean clustering. K-mean clustering algorithm is used for segmentation, which is defined below. First of all, the initialize the center points and number of clusters. Then each pixel in the dermoscopic images. For each pixel, we compute the Euclidean distance between the center and the each pixel of an image using this formula. And then the label is assigned to each pixel using this equation, and then this process is repeated until the error is reduced or the program converges, and then all pixels are converted into segmented image output like zeros or ones. Local binary pattern LBP is a widely adopted in the domain of computer vision and CBIR, that is content based image recognition. It is computed by comparing the magnitude of central pixel with neighborhood, which results in binary values. Through multiplication and addition with specific weights, these binary values are converted into decimal values. LBP is computed for all pixels and feature histogram is created. HOG, histogram of oriented gradients. HOG is a feature descriptor widely used in computer vision for it was uh, mainly uh, mainly proposed for pedestrian recognition and pedestrian detection. Segmentation of images of skin lesion is divided into overlapping. Segmented images of skin lesion is divided into overlapping blocks, and then this followed by computing orientation of gradient from each block, and then features are quantized into histogram bins having specific ranges. Finally, all blocks are combined to form a comprehensive descriptor that represents the image for different classes. Bag of visual words. BOVW bag of visual words were originally designed for document analysis. It was then modified for computer vision applications. Low-level image features of a local region are used as visual analog for words for image analysis. These visual words are clustered through k-mean clustering. Final descriptor is formed by constructing a histogram. Classification. Classification was performed using support vector machines classified. SVM constructs a hyperplane that performs separation between binary classes. Maximum margin is constructed using only data points near to the same boundary, and these points are known as support vectors. Support vectors provide maximum discriminative information about the two classes. And complex classification is handled by transforming the input feature space to higher dimensional space using nonlinear functions. These functions are called kernel tricks. These functions include polynomial kernel, Gaussian kernel, and cubic kernels. Results. This table enlists the results of this experimentation, extensive experimentation performed in this research. We can see that the LBP, HOG, and a bag of visual world feature were used in the experimentation with a range of classification methods. For example, SVM linear, SVM quadratic, SVM cubic, SVM Gaussian, KNN, K nearest neighbor, and decision trees. And we can see that the bag of visual word achieved best performance of 99.8% accuracy, 100% sensitivity, and 99.5% specificity once it is used with the SVM cubic. This graph shows the results in term of the bar graph. We can see that the SVMC achieved good performance, maximum performance with bag of visual words. The performance is shown in the terms of accuracy, and the accuracy value of 99.8% was achieved. It is important to mention here that the extensive experimentation was performed through tenfold cross validation strategy. In tenfold cross validation, the dataset is divided into 10 splits, and then each split is used for the testing the classifier, and the remaining other 9 splits are 9 parts of the data set are used to train the classifier. So this gives good results, reliable results. So the classification performance in terms of confusion matrix is shown in this slide. We can see that the benign class achieve 100% accuracy, and 1000 out of 1000 images were classified, were predicted accurately. Whereas the melanoma class, in melanoma class, 5 melanoma images were predicted as benign. So it reduces its accuracy from 100 to more than 99.5%. So the comparative analysis shows with the comparative analysis with the existing research shows the robustness of the proposed method. We can see the accuracy of 99.8% is achieved in this research using the classifier of SVMC classifier and bag of visual word uh, feature descriptor. Contribution. The contributions of this research it is low cost solution, it is non-invasive solution, and it is of course painless and less time taking, as it doesn't involve deep learning methods or a complex computing methods, so the processing time is very less. Conclusions. In this research, a new methodology for classification of melanoma through dermoscopic images is proposed. The K-mean clustering is used for image segmentation. Feature extraction is performed over LBP, HOG, bag of visual words, based feature descriptors. SPMC with bag of visual words showed best performance with an accuracy of 99.8%. Here are the references of this research, and I thank you all for watching this video. Thank you.